Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the cozy and beautiful world of farmhouse vibe home decorating, a style that brings warmth, simplicity, and a peaceful feeling into your home. In this video, I will share easy and practical farmhouse decorating tips that you can use in your own farmhouse home. So stay with me till the end for some lovely ideas and inspiration. Keep daily life visible but curated. Farmhouse isn't about hiding life. Cooking tools can stay out, but only the pretty, useful ones. Keep them arranged neatly on trays or hooks. Add slow movement elements. Small moving details bring life. Light curtains that move slightly. Hanging herbs or dried flowers. A soft fabric that drapes naturally. Frame everyday views. Instead of only decorating objects, make your window or kitchen view part of the decor. Keep that area clean, simple, and light. Use negative corners on purpose. Leave one small corner almost empty in each space. A counter corner, a shelf edge, a table side. Style in layers, not all at once. Build your decor step by step. Base, furniture, storage, baskets or chairs. Soft items, fabric or crochet. Small accents like plants or candles. Use muted accent colors strategically. Instead of many colors, pick one or two accent tones like muted green plus warm red. Repeat them lightly across rooms. This keeps your farmhouse style cohesive. Layer light at 3 levels for a cozy farmhouse glow. Ceiling light main. Table or side lamp middle. Candle or a small light low level. This creates warmth at night, not harsh brightness. Add breathing space intentionally. Empty space is part of the design. Don't fill every corner or wall. Leave gaps between decor pieces. Repeat materials, not objects. Professional farmhouse decor uses repetition. Same wood tone in 2 or 3 places. Same baskets style in different rooms. Similar glass or ceramic textures. Bring in natural elements. Add a fresh, playful touch. Small indoor plants, herbs in the kitchen. Even artificial greenery works if real plants are hard to maintain. Keep it simple and uncluttered. Farmhouse style looks best when it's not crowded. Choose a few meaningful items. Leave some empty space for a clean, airy feel. contrast of soft lighting. Use warm-toned bulbs, not harsh white. Add a small table lamp or hanging light. Try lantern-style lights for a rustic touch. Mix textures, not just colors. Instead of hiding too many colors, mix different materials. Wood plus metal, cotton plus jute, glass plus ceramic. This gives depth without making the space look busy. Create small styled corners. Pick a small area like a counter corner or shelf and style it. A wooden tray, a jar plus a plant, a candle or a small decor. Add character to plain surfaces. If your space feels too plain, hang a simple wooden sign. Use a framed coat or nature print. Add hooks with hanging mugs or towels. Use layers in textiles. Layering makes everything feel cozy. Table plus runner plus a small decor. Sofa plus cushion plus crochet drawer. Bed plus blanket plus pillow covers. Add seasonal touches. Change a small decor with seasons, fresh flowers or dried stems. Light fabrics in summer, thicker in winter. Small color changes, soft greens, warm browns. Keep countertops functional but pretty, especially for your kitchen. Use trays to group items. Keep daily use items visible but neat. Hide clutter in baskets or containers. Don't forget small furniture details. Even simple pieces can fill farmhouse. Add a fabric cover or cushion to chairs. Use a small stool or bench. Choose slightly rustic or vintage style finishes. Use a less polished finish. Farmhouse isn't shiny or perfect. Choose slightly rough or matte finishes. Distressed or aged look items work beautifully. Avoid too much glossy or modern shine. Create visual balance zone. Instead of decorating randomly, divide each surface into small zones. Left side functional items, right side decorative items, center focal point. This keeps everything organized but still cozy. Repeat materials, not objects. Professional farmhouse decor uses repetition. Same wood tone in 2 or 3 places. Same basket style in different rooms. Similar glass or ceramic textures. Add breathing space intentionally. Empty space is a part of the design. Don't fill every corner or wall. Leave gaps between decor pieces. This makes your home feel calm and expansive, not crowded. Keep a calming scent in your home. Farmhouse is also about feeling. Use mild scents like vanilla, cinnamon, or fresh linen. Candles or natural air fresheners work well. It adds an invisible cozy layer. Go for greenery instead of bold plants. Choose gentle from house-friendly plants, small leafy greens, herbs, dried flowers, or grasses. Rotate your decor. Don't show everything at once. You don't need to display all items all the time. Change a small decor every few weeks. Soft crochet pictures, chairs, or plants. Anchor your space with one hero piece. Instead of decorating everything equally, choose one standout item per area. Keep the rest simple around it. This creates focus and avoids clutter. Use reflective pages but keep them soft. Farmhouse doesn't mean dark or heavy. Add a small mirror with a wooden or vintage frame. Use glass jars or bottles to reflect light. Style open shelves simply. If you have shelves, don't overcrowd them. Mix plates, jars, and a small decor page. Leave some empty space. Less is more here. Mix fresh plus rustic elements. Balance is key. Pair greenery with wood or metal. Example, plant in a rustic pot or basket. Focus on cozy corners. Create one or two comfort spots. A chair with a crochet cushion. A small table with a plant and candle. A soft throw blanket. Add subtle patterns. Keep patterns soft and simple. Stripes, checks like from House Kingdom. Small floral prints. Use them in cushions, curtains, or tablecloths. Hide clutter in a pretty way. Instead of removing everything, use baskets, wooden boxes, or chairs. Thanks for watching the video.